Welcome to Best Choice. The best dash cam is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any driver, offering peace of mind and crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dash cams, specifically focusing on a top-of-the-line model that boasts impressive features and exceptional video quality. We'll explore its setup, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your car. Number 5. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear. It uses a wide-angle lens and advanced sensor to capture everything, providing clear and reliable evidence, day or night. This is perfect for any driver. With the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, this camera delivers clear footage in any lighting condition. The WDR and HDR technology ensures sharp night vision and crisp details. This feature provides reliable evidence and enhances safety for every drive. Connect your smartphone to the dashcam's built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads. Using the app, you can preview, download, and replay videos in real time. It's easy to review footage and share important moments. This car camera supports loop recording for continuous coverage. It comes with a free memory card, giving you ample space for 4K recordings. You can use it right out of the box. Enjoy round-the-clock protection with 2 parking modes. The G sensor automatically locks important clips, ensuring crucial evidence is safely preserved. This feature provides security even while your vehicle is parked. Built with a supercapacitor, this dash cam offers safer performance and improved heat resistance. It's backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. You can trust it to last. Please use the original or officially recommended accessories for safe and stable performance. Follow the installation steps in the user manual. Do not expose the device to high temperatures for long periods. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording, ensuring every detail is captured. With the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers clear footage day or night. If you are a rideshare driver or someone who values detailed evidence, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to install. The video quality is great. The camera has a wide angle. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display provides a wider view, reducing blind spots for safer driving. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dash cam. You can also connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to view recordings and share videos using the WOLFBOX app. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, giving you a broader view to minimize blind spots. The split-screen function lets you monitor both views at once, and the curved screen blends seamlessly with your car's interior. The G840S has an upgraded LCD to reduce daytime reflections. It uses WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting, and a professional-grade sensor with a 6-glass lens for excellent image quality, even at night. This camera offers a 24-hour parking monitor with loop recording. Time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to save power while keeping your vehicle under surveillance. A hardwire kit is needed for parking monitoring. WOLFBOX provides attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Remember to use original accessories to ensure the best performance and maintain your warranty. What we like. Featuring a large 12 display and 4K resolution, this mirror dash cam minimizes blind spots. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick video sharing. If you are looking for enhanced safety and a sleek design, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. The video quality is great. The camera is very clear. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam captures your drive in stunning 4K resolution with a wide-angle view. It also has a rear camera that records in 1080p. The enhanced night vision ensures clear recordings, day or night. The F7N Touch features voice commands for hands-free control. It also has a smart touchscreen for easy access to features. You can lock videos, turn on Wi-Fi, and capture scenery with just a touch. Connect to the dash cam's Wi-Fi via the REDTIGER Cam app. You can enjoy fast download speeds and share your driving experiences. The built-in GPS provides location, speed, and route information in your recordings. This dual-channel dash cam automatically overwrites old footage with the included 128GB card. The built-in G sensor detects impacts and locks the footage, protecting it from being overwritten. The dash cam offers G sensor parking mode to record any collisions while parked. Time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance. Please note that a hardwire kit is required for parking monitoring. Installation is simple with the suction cup mount and included tools. REDTIGER provides an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that we've got you covered. What we like. With voice control and a responsive touchscreen, this dash cam offers hands-free operation and easy access to features. The included 128GB card provides ample storage. If you like convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The dash cam has a great picture quality. The setup was easy. The rear camera is also great. Number 2. COOAU D30S 4K dash cam with GPS. This dash cam captures videos in stunning 4K resolution with a wide 170 degrees angle. It ensures you get the clearest details, like road signs and license plates. This will be your best driving companion. With front and inside cameras, this dash cam provides complete coverage. It records both the road ahead and the interior of your car. This feature is perfect for rideshare drivers and families. The camera's large aperture and infrared LEDs provide exceptional night vision. Even in complete darkness, it captures clear, detailed footage. You can drive with confidence, day or night. Easily connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to access and share videos. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving routes, speed, and location. It's all designed for your convenience. This dash cam monitors your car even when it's parked. It automatically records and locks videos in case of any incidents. You can choose from multiple parking modes for added security. The dash cam seamlessly loops records, ensuring you never miss a moment. The G sensor automatically locks videos when a collision is detected. It helps you keep important evidence. This dash cam is tested in extreme temperatures to ensure stable operation. COOAU offers 24/7 support and a 2-year warranty. You can drive with peace of mind. What we like. This dash cam provides dual recording of front and inside the car, offering comprehensive coverage. The infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in complete darkness. If you have a rideshare business or need to monitor both the road and the cabin, it is a great choice. What people say. The dash cam and rear camera are easy to install. The video quality is excellent. The dash cam has a wide-angle lens. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. This dash cam offers a complete 360-degree view, recording front, rear, and sides. It captures everything happening around your car, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your safety. The N5 records in Full HD 1080p, providing clear and detailed footage. It also offers a 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p mode for different recording needs, ensuring you capture every important detail. The dash cam comes with a 128GB SD card and supports up to 256GB. It automatically records in a loop, overwriting old footage when the card is full, so you never miss a moment. Connect to the dash cam via 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast data transfer. Use the free app to easily control the camera, preview videos, download, and share your recordings. The dash cam offers 24-hour parking mode for continuous vehicle protection. With a hardwire kit, sold separately, it can monitor your car even when parked, providing peace of mind. The built-in G sensor detects impacts and automatically triggers emergency recording. It saves and locks the video, preventing it from being overwritten, ensuring crucial evidence is always protected. What we like. This dash cam offers a 360 degrees view with 4-channel recording, capturing everything around your vehicle. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast and reliable connectivity. If you are looking for complete coverage and peace of mind, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The dash cam and rear camera were easy to install. The video quality is great. The camera has a wide field of view. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.